Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put blank line before numbers in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to put blank lines before number. Firstly, write some number. Then go to the paragraph settings option and go to the tabs. Then set the tab stop position 5.5. Then check mark the right and choose leader 4. Then click set. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we put it blank lines before number very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.